Welcome back to Universitips. Today we're diving deep into one of the most crucial steps for any international student dreaming of studying in the United States, getting your student visa. Whether you're aiming for an undergraduate, graduate, or vocational program, this video is for you. Let's get started. First off, let's understand the types of visas available. F-1 visa. This is for students attending an accredited U.S. college or university for academic or language training programs. It's the most common type for international students. J-1 visa. For those in exchange visitor programs, including high school and university study or research scholars. M-1 visa, for vocational or non-academic studies. Each type has its specific requirements and purposes, so make sure you're applying for the right one based on your educational plans. Before you even start your visa application, here's what you need to do. Get accepted. You must first be accepted by a SEVP, Student and Exchange Visitor Program, certified school. Once accepted, you'll receive a Form I-20 from your school, which is essentially your ticket to start the visa process. SEVIS fee. Pay the SEVIS I-901 fee, $350 for F and M visa categories, $220 for J visa. This fee supports the program that tracks your stay in the U.S. Now let's go through the application steps. Complete the DS-160 form. This online application form is the first official step. Fill it out, pay the visa application fee, $160, and upload a photo that meets U.S. visa photo requirements. Schedule your interview. Book an appointment at the U.S. Embassy or consulate in your country. Remember, you can apply up to 120 days before your program's start date, but you can only enter the U.S. 30 days before your classes begin. Prepare your documents. A valid passport, Form Y-20, DS-160 confirmation page, receipt of visa fee payment, SEVIS fee payment receipt, financial proof showing you can support your studies, academic transcripts, if relevant. Attend the visa interview. This is where you'll need to prove your intent to study in the U.S. and return home after your studies. Common questions might include your study plans, financial support, and ties to your home country. If approved, your visa will be stamped in your passport, but remember, your F-1 status only begins when you enter the U.S. and report to your school. If denied, you'll receive a reason. You can reapply, but it's crucial to address the issues mentioned in the denial. Start early. Visa processing can take time, especially during peak seasons. Be prepared, know your program, why you chose it, and how you plan to fund your education. Show ties to home. Demonstrate strong connections to your home country to assure the visa officer of your intent to return. Navigating the U.S. student visa process can seem daunting, but with the right preparation and understanding, you'll be well on your way to achieving your educational dreams in America. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, give a like, subscribe for more tips on studying abroad, and drop any questions in the comments below. See you in the next video.